Hello everyone, today I will show you how we can install and manage a plugin in Vim. So with a plugin, we will have more features, we will have more interesting things to work with in Vim. So for example, that we can install a new color scheme, a popular one like Molokai, onedark, dracula, or also we can install a NERDTree for show the directory, show the files on the left. The thing that you usually see in VS Code or in supply text. Okay, let's get started. Um, if you want to install a plugin in Vim, I refer to use a plugin manager. And the plugin manager I'm using is that Vim Plus. This is have a this plugin manager is fast. It's like the speed of it is very fast. So I'm I'm I choose to use it. If you want to install it, you go to a website and you type Vim Plus. Okay, so let I type it again. Vim Plus GitHub. Okay, so you click to this link, scroll down, and now when you see as this section installation and the Vim, you will copy and paste this this text here, and you pass in here. Okay, what happened? Okay. Okay, so after I run this command, I will have you will see that actually they copy something into the .vim autolog, and the file name is bloodvim. So let's jump into that and see what is going on. Here we have bloodvim here. So this is a script. This is a script to manage your plugin. Many, okay. So if you want to install a new plugin, you will need to go to the VimRC. So go back, Vim with Home, VimRC. Okay. So I will try to install a plugin first and have a setting later because sometimes we will have a settings for a plugin and we have not installed the plugin yet, so it will have some error. Then I prefer to have an install plugin bar on the top of your file. Okay, so here's it. Scroll down to an uses and scroll down to the example here. Okay, no, so you have so they say that you need to add this one to start to install a plugin, and this is the way you add a plugin. And when you finish, you call this con blood n. So let's try out. Uh, okay, con blood in and con blood in. Okay, let's double check to make sure that I correct. Okay. So now in this will be the plugin, and usually I will find a plugin at Vim Awesome. Vim Awesome. Okay, so this is okay, we'll make it wider. So this is a page. You can find a plugin that you can install it. So I will try one dark. Okay, this is a color scheme, and I very like it. Okay, so you click to this one, you scroll down. So take a look at here. This is your name of the plugin manager. So if you use Windows, you will click to Windows to see how you can add the plugin in here. In our case, I use VIM, so I will click to here. And okay, they say that I need to copy this one, and I pass to here. Okay, let's pass it. Okay, and they call they 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 say that we need to run source with a percentage symbol, and after that we run plus install. So what does source with a percentage with a percentage symbol? It means that we want to renew this file. Okay, so when you add the blood here, you save to it. Maybe it will not work, so you need to source with here. It will like reread this file, and now this file will see you have a onedark plugin. And now if you, sorry, and now if you want to install it, you will turn it into the command mode and you run plus install. So as you can see on the left is split another screen for us, and it's kind of show us it it show it show us the process of the installation. So as it say here that we take around 0.02 second and it's finished, and OneDoc is already installed in our VIM. Okay. So now let's click this one. So we don't see anything change because we have not used it. Then will use it like syntax on. Syntax on will help us when we have when you have a file with a programming language like a PHP, JavaScript, or Java. It will color the syntax. It can recognize the syntax, and it will color it. Okay, and the color scheme, I will check color scheme by with Control D. So now you will see here I have a one dark scheme here. I have one dark color scheme. So now I will one dark. Okay, so this is a color scheme one dark. And if I want to have a default setting for that, I will go to the VMRC, which is we are current at a VMRC, and I change it one dark. Okay, done. So now let's try works by learn Vim, and now I want to open like header.php. Okay, nice. It's very nice. The color scheme is very nice. So try to uh, try to write some function reading and message. Okay, echo message. Okay, nice. As you can see that the color is very nice. On this. Okay. Okay. So that's it for today. That's how we can install a plugin in a Vim. Let's have a quick recap that if you want to install a plugin to have more feature, to have more interesting things in Vim, instead of write everything by yourself, you can reuse this by someone they provide you on a GitHub, or you can find it on a Vim Awesome. So if you want to install a plugin, I refer to use plugin manager, which is we use a Vim plug, and you will go to the VimRC to start a con blood begin and con blood end, and you will add the name of the plugin and the between to install to notify that you want to install this plugin. After that, you run soft with a percentage symbol to refresh the file. And if you want to install, you will go to command mod and you will run blood install. Okay. Oh, and one more thing that if you want to remove this plugin, you will delete this one and you will refresh this. Okay, and what will you run? You will run blood clean. Okay, so it say that everything is clean. I think that is not correct. So let's try again. Okay. 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 Delete on. Okay. Yes. Okay. So this time is delete the plugin in the Vim. So as you can see, the directory here that our plugin is will install in .vim blood .vim and blood folder. Okay. So that's it for today. If you enjoy this video, please like it. If you have any questions, please comment below. And if you don't want to miss my latest video, don't don't forget to click the subscribe button and click the ringtone icon next to that to notify it when I publish a new videos. Okay, so thank you for watching. Have a nice day.